Welcome back to another Dummy Tech Talks, guys. We are here to do what we usually do best, build computers. And he's going to talk about it a little bit.
This was kind of just a computer build with parts that I had left over from upgrading my computer, which if you haven't seen, there's a little thing right here. I have made one other adjustment to that computer since that video. I installed a Ryzen 9 5900X, which is why I had the Ryzen 5 3600X for this computer build. So like I just said, it has a Ryzen 5 3600X CPU, 6-core, 12-thread CPU. Does great. Have had no issues in the past with it. Fantastic. That is on my old B450M DS3H motherboard by Gigabyte. It's a good little board. It only has PCIe 3.0. In this video, I won't be installing it, but I do have an NVMe SSD, 2 terabytes for the extra storage space and extra fastness. What I am putting in this one now is a 500 gigabyte Intel SATA SSD. It should be perfectly fine for the time being. It will have my old Zotac AMP EXTREME 1080 Ti, which again, have had no issues with. I just upgraded to a 3070, so I had it lying around. I'm putting 32 gigabytes of Skywalker Prism RGB RAM by V-Color. This is all going to be powered by a Silverstone 1000 watt 80 plus silver power supply. I bought new cables for it just to be safe. Oh, and the case. It's all going in a Deepcool Matrexx 30.
It's all black, and I think it's cool.
Yeah, everything except for the RAM and the SSD, really, because the RAM's red.
It looks like a Darth Vader. Oh, because it's got one speck of red.
We can make the RAM red too.
Yeah, see what I'm saying?
Make it glow red
that's the saber, and the solid state silver, so it looks like it's a little control board thing that he has. Without further ado, we're gonna woo-loo out of here. Woo-loo-loo. Alright guys, so he just did that thing. This is the finished product here.
We haven't configured any of the RGB yet. We'll show you all in a second because we did plug it in so we can show you the light up stuff. Woo. Before we get into that, I will tell you right now, I do not recommend this case to anybody. There is zero cable management. As you can see, there's a PCIe cable coming off the GPU. Actually, two of them just running straight up. Couldn't really find a great way to deal with that. I had to remove the drive tray. That was 6 rivets I had to drill out. That was so the 1080 Ti could fit.
I get the honors? Do I get the honors?
Yeah, you got the button.
Oh. Ooh. Did it do anything?
Oh yeah. It's looking pretty. Also, this case has like 0 airflow, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna choke the crap out of that 1080 Ti. I have 2 case fans in this, one in the front, one in the back, and it only came with the one in the back, so I had to install that front one. We will see. We did something similar with his that we did with this. We kind of budgeted for the bottom end and just found the cheapest one that motherboard would fit in and went with it. Terrible idea. Don't do that. It's worth spending like $10 more to get a decent case.
Yeah.
Since it's not plugged into a monitor, we'll include some pictures of it getting, like posting and getting to the UEFI page. So you'll see the 32 gigabytes of RAM, the 500 gigabyte or 512 gigabyte SSD that's in there, the Ryzen 5 3600X. Other than that, it did enable the XMP profile because I don't feel like going through and manually messing with it.
I think we should get a stickers to make it look like Darth Vader more. Like
sure.
For the
this
SSD.
is I built this computer because I have a lot of friends that PC game and we all hang out. With something like this, when they come over, they don't have to worry about bringing their own computer. Or
you mean me?
Yeah, you.
Dude,
I'm gonna have other friends, but they don't ever bring their computers anymore. Don't forget to like
and subscribe. Hit that bell.
Yeah.
Ding, ding, ding. And share. Because
please.
We are past 300 subscribers.
Yeah, I think we had 308 earlier today.
Jeez.
And comment. Let us know what you want to see. If we can do it, we'll do it. And we like talking to you guys.
See you on another Dummy Tech Talks.